Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you opening of 4 Kinder Surprise egg, and this is special series with My Little Pony or My Little Pony Equestria girls. That means that in 4 of eggs you will find at least 2 of the series of My Little Pony or Equestria girls. Let's start with the first egg. Let's see what we will find here. Oh, I think we have the first Equestria girl. Yes, and this is Rainbow Dash. As you can see, we have the legs and the upper part. We have to stick it together. Okay. And our Rainbow Dash is ready. We have here stand that is also a brush, so we can brush her very long hair. We can also put her in the stand so she can stand alone. Okay, let's see what we have in the second egg. This is something different. Let's see. Looks a little bit like a flower. Oh, this is a bracelet. Oh, how nice. Okay, let's see what should we do. I think the first we have to put it together like this. We have leaves here. It looks really pretty. It looks really pretty. I think I'll try to have it on my hand. It's even not too short for me. Yay, it works. As you can see, we have beautiful flower bracelet. Okay, let's see what we have in the third egg. As you can see, they are pink, so you can tell that it's for girls. Let's open it. Okay. Something with the... Oh! This is Scooter. I think we should first put the stickers on it. So this is for your finger. This is really nice. And we also have 2 more stickers to it. Okay, Scooter is ready. Very colorful, and of course you can have fun with it with your finger. You can ride on it with your finger. This is nice. I think you can also put Rainbow Dash here and play with it. Okay, it's time for the last egg. I think it will be something connected to My Little Pony or Equestria girls. I was right. We have next Equestria girl. This is Fluttershy. Fluttershy looks really nice, and of course we have the stand that is also a brush, exactly like with a Rainbow Dash. So in this set we had the bracelet, Scooter, and as producer said, 2 of Equestria girls, Fluttershy and Rainbow Dash.